G'day one and all, and welcome back to my channel. Today is I guess a come feed my animals with me kind of video, I guess. I mean, I don't really know. But anyway, so we have to go feed the animals before this storm happens because Australia was in serious drought and burning, and now it is thundering and flooding. So, you know, I feel like Mother Nature kind of forgets about us and be like, oh crap, Australia's in drought. Let's just hammer the poor country with bloody rains and flooding and all that kind of fun stuff. But anyway, so you could probably hear Maxie. He's just over there behind the bar there. I've already fed him and everything, and he's got fresh water because it's been so freaking hot. So now we just have to feed the dogs, the horses, the cats, and chickens have been fed, so yeah, just the horses, the dogs, and the cats. Before I begin the lovely video, let me just show you something that I thought was really cool. So we have this big massive, I guess, TV compartment cupboard thingy, and it's pretty much just used for storage at the moment. Dad's lovely collection of books and everything, and you know, bits and pieces and whatnot. But what I really wanted to show you was this down here. Mum and me have been cleaning out the cupboards here, and Mum's put all my trophies. So I never really showed you these trophies before, but this is when that was in 2008. I won age champion for running for my 13-year-old self, as well as this one. But this one is for swimming, so I was age 13 champion there. Don't ask me why, but these are the ones that I mainly wanted to show you. These are all my Pony Club trophies that I got this year, and I wanted to show you them because I haven't. Like, I guess like best rider or something, I don't know. That's why it's got the pretty golden horse. Anyway, this one is for first place for my age group at Gymkhana. I did really well at Gymkhana. I will put a photo here of all the ribbons that I won. Yeah, I know, a lot of freaking ribbons. It's honestly scary. Anyway, these are all the trophies here that we got at presentation, and I wasn't expecting to get anything, honestly, but I guess I did. See, this one doesn't really make sense. This says restricted sports runner-up for the Gymkhana, even though I got first place for Gymkhana. I don't understand. So this one doesn't make sense to me. But I don't know, whatever, I got it, so all that matters. This one is from my highest attendance at Pony Club, which I thought was really weird because I've missed out like 3 days. Maybe they were just giving out trophies just for the sake of it at this point. This is the Henry Richardson Newton Encouragement Award. I forget really what this one is all about. I guess it's an encouragement award, but I would like to search it up and see what it actually, you know, is all about, kind of thing. But yeah, these are all my trophies. So I just thought that was pretty cool, and I wanted you, and not to brag or anything, honestly, like, well, I guess it's kind of to brag, but you know, whatever. It's not to brag or anything like that. I just thought it'd be cool to show you my trophies, honestly, and I'm putting them there. I don't know where else to put them. I would like to put them up at the shed, but we haven't really figured out all the bits and pieces and everything, so oh well, it doesn't really matter. So now I'm gonna go feed the dogs, and then we can go feed the cats. I reckon, no, I'll feed the cats last because they're down back at the house. So I'll feed the dogs first, then the horses, then the cats. Alright, so we gotta go get the dogs food. Oh, delicious. You reckon they'll like their veggies? They better. Alright. We're on our way to feed the puppers. If no one believes me that we've been having storms lately, look at that cloud over there. We're definitely going to get a storm. I don't know when. I better hurry up, otherwise it's going to piss down rain. Anyway, let's go quickly. Yes, yes, you're going to be fed soon. Hush, hush. Hey, Rusty. Someone's very excited. Hey, Stumpy. Oh, I stepped on a mango. There's like this mango tree here, and there's all rotten ones, and I stepped in one. God damn it. Alright. So let's go eat this macadamia nut. After half an hour of trying to find this frickin' thing. It was in, oh, I should probably show you where it is. It was in here. We're doing some renovations to our bedroom, by the way. Well, to the bedrooms. This is one of them. So we're pretty much just gonna rip up the carpet, repaint the walls, add blinds, get rid of the light. Have a light here, have a light over there. It's gonna be cool. Put a wardrobe there, but I'll tell you about that later on. Doesn't matter, let's go crack this nut. And I literally spent, I'm not even kidding you, half an hour. So now it's like dark. And now, look at it. Look at that monstrosity. I wonder if we're gonna get that. Like, that's over there, it's like immensely dark. So I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna go crack the nut. There's Kitty. Oh my god, Kitty. She's over near my car. There's Kitty. Oh, I can't focus. There, yep. There she is. She's so cute. Oh god, I zoomed too far. I'm definitely going to put you down for this. Dad told me a technique. Where is it? It's here. So when you're cracking a nut, you got to crack along this line here. You can't really see it, but there's like a line right there. And it just goes from one. Dad told me you got to hit it right there. And it won't stay on there. So there's going to be a pain. I don't want to do this. Oh, come on, Dad didn't want to go. I'm sorry, I'm very immensely afraid of tools. Oh, I squished it. Oh. Well, bummer. I squished. Well, you can tell I'm not a very good farm woman. Frickin' squish me a macadamia nut. Oh well. I don't think there was much in there anyway. I think most of it went frickin' flying anyway. Don't judge me. Dad didn't want to go, so I don't know what happened. He has confidence in his hammering abilities, so how about that? Alright, so to avoid this over here, we're going to go and feed the horses. Oh my god, the freaking lightning. So before this starts, we're going to go and feed the horses, which I'm hoping they're not too far away. I was going to put rugs on them to save that. So I might do that. I might do that now. Okay, let's go. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. This way. This way. Didn't realize it was loaded. Of course it is. Alright, I got my rain jacket on. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm sorry if I'm yelling. Oh, holy crap, it's raining. Like, heavily raining. Alright, so I'm gonna go back down. Wish us luck. The horses are rugged. I'm gonna go collect their buckets before I go back down and then do that. Okay, I'll be back. Alrighty, I got the buckets and now I'm just gonna head down to the house, which is all the way down there. So wish us luck. So as you can clearly see behind me, Australia is not on fire at the moment. It's flash flooding. How great is that? Anyway, I don't know what to do now. My car's all the way over there, and I ain't leaving anytime soon. And I'm not driving in this road. But holy crap, it's going. I kind of want to fix up Ringo's rug, because it's not like tight enough. Here, I'll show you. I'm not even doing anything. Holy crap, it's windy. I'm gonna go fix that rug then I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back inside. Oh, wrong. Oh, that's the right load. I'm drenched, still pissing, but oh well, it'll be fine. I'm gonna take my jacket off. I'm like soaked at my pants. My hat's a bit soaked. Alrighty, I got my towel. I'm nice and comfy, but this weather is a bit spook. But this is what it's been like for this past several days. It's just been pissing down rain of an afternoon. It's been hot and humid all day, and it rains like this. Just buckets down. I feel like Australia can't get a break. But anyway, the rain seemed to be calming down now. Poor horses. I feel so sorry for them at the moment. They're probably drenched. Alright, I'm gonna go outside and inspect the damage. A little thank you to HV Polo. Your jumper was amazing. It kept my upper body dry, thanks, but not so much my bottom half. But oh well. Little thank you. Great jumper, by the way. Very nice jumper. Definitely approve. Jesus Christ. Where's my thong? There it is. Kitty, oh no. How are you, honey? You look bone dry. What am I talking about? You look fine. Alright, well, it's got all water in here. Like, holy crap. Oh, the mattress is blown over. Let me go fix that. On the wet ass table. Maybe the other side. Shit. Jesus Christ. Now it's starting to rain again, so I wouldn't even bother coming outside at this point. 1 second. There's a piece of cardboard out here. I was wondering what it was. Oh, it's a bit flooded. Oh, that's flooded. Oh, don't be any spiders, don't be any spiders, don't be, fuck off. Woo! Oh, I fucking jumped at a stick. You can just hang here. Stay there. Fire almighty, it's never flooded here. Jesus Christ, look at that. It's never rained that much to have like a mini freaking lake here. Jesus Christ. Ooh. Frickin' rain. Oh, Maxie, I'm coming. How you doing, Maxie? How you doing? Yeah, I know. The freaking rain, man. Jesus Christ. Look, back, please. Yeah. Oh, no, it's spooky, eh, Maxie? Jesus Christ. Holy dooly. Well, everything's flooded at the moment. I've never seen water like that over there. Jesus. The dogs are alright, the cats are alright. but Jesus Christ, still raining. It's pretty though. It's a bit of blue sky over there. Woo! Should really show you over here. See that big boy? I feel like we have another one coming. Or that might be the one that's just past us. I don't know. But it's spook. I feel like a tree just fell down somewhere. Is that hail? Oh, great. Run, horses. Get under cover. Oh, great. That's freaking hail. Holy shit. Oh, great. Exactly what we needed at the moment. You seeing this? Oh, God. Freaking hail everywhere now. Yeah, because that's what we needed. This is our snow, guys. Jesus Christ. You can see where the hail is in the pool. Holy dooly. Oh shit, the horses. Where are you stupid buggers going? Oh, wow, that's a nice rainbow. How about that? Oh, that's a nice pretty rainbow. So anyway, so that was fun. I'm going to leave this video here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a good or like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.